I'm holding it. I got 3 more. Wow! What's this? Look at this, guys. Oh my God. A butterfly. What the heck? Come back in. Okay, get it.
Sean, don't run with that.
Hey, do mine like Sean. Do mine like Sean. Mama, look at this.
What is it, baby?
He had like 3.
Come on.
Ready?
Look, gosh, there's some crazy.
I smell burnt grass. Burnt leaves.
I did this.
You did that, I would say. Awesome. Okay, move away, David, move away.
Make all of them.
Go over there. Carefully. Don't run.
Wow.
I'm recording you, David.
Together.
I got another idea.
Is it cool?
Yes.
You're making magic, huh? It's not the smell. All right, princess, show me what you can do.
You gotta hold it down. You gotta hold it down.
I made all of them do it.
No,
Hey.
no. Keep it down.
Hey, you can eat them. That's
No,
it.
no, Sean. Go away. Destiny, over here.
Come on here, princess. Ooh, yours are nice. Show it to me, Johnny.
See what happens.
Awesome.
What the heck? That's even a campfire. How did I start a fire? How did I start a fire?
That's what our trees look like now.
Oh, Grandma.
Starting
I
all
saw a
the
fire.
leaves on
Look.
it. Hold on,
Because
baby.
this tip came off and it landed right there. And
That's
there's no
Mr.
fire.
Jones's yard.
Whoa! Make all of them together.
No, because that's all we have. I have to do 2 or 3 together. Here. Ready? Yeah, get ready.
Sticky! Sticky!
Go, go. Only 2 or 3 together at a time.
You got more bombs?
We're running low.
You got more bombs?
No. You want to go buy some more later?
Like 3.